Tip controlled, and we are underway. The United States with the basketball first.
Brunson running the show, great point. They love this little pin down, pop out, and then the sack. Pretty good.
Another block inside, that length for Team USA that you talked about showing early.
Yeah, Jaron, such a nice pass here. Yeah, looking for his shot, though. It's got to be
Ingram,
a bike.
open floor. Brunson for three. Morgan trying to get Jackson to move.
Yeah, more of an attack guy. Got to get it in.
Baseline jumper for Edwards.
Play. Talented rookie. 24 points a game. Nice entry pass.
And a good finish now. Slovenia down 5 without Doncic.
Nice cut.
Morgan, who finishes at the rim. He'll go to the line.
3 days and then under the gun. Pretty.
And a drive.
Better poise on that offensive end, running their sets.
Out of the outlet off the backside of his teammate. The feed to Edwards. The scramble three short, but he'll get his own rebound. Edwards on the drive. Count the...
Well warranted.
Paulo Banchero on the floor, immediately contributing with the offensive rebound. U.S. crushing the glass right now as Edwards. The last to join Team USA, Anthony Edwards. Took a huge step forward last year, got his first All-Star selection.
Lazic with that open look. Set.
Brunson. The no-look into the corner for Cam Johnson.
12 assists against Puerto Rico, Tyrese. What a team player that kid is.
The fake. The roll.
Oh,
they may still be in Vegas. Reeves off the bump to Johnson.
I love this mid-post for Paulo.
Mike Tobey out there replacing Jordan Morgan, who got into foul trouble. The three, I'm sure if the Gasols were traded at the same time. I know Goran and Zoran were. Loose ball and scooped up by the United.
Another year, a lot of these guys will be on that Olympic team. The process is just so well developed and honed. Kids.
The three. This one won't go. May have been forced a little bit. Long pass ahead to Reeves, and Reeves will finish. It looks with the line a little closer in FIBA than it is NBA. Dragic on the run, trying to lob underneath. This is Mike Tobey, who feeds it to the Kong. Reeves will track it down.
Always got a hand. A nice pass.
Find. Edwards with the flush.
What bounce into the lane. Nice
and
steal.
A turnover. Here's Portis.
This team's going to be able to gamble quite a bit in passing lanes. There's that ball fake again.
Impressive by Giga Samar. On the other end, right to the rack is Halliburton for two. And now U.S. back to work with Portis on the baseline using the window.
Steve's done a nice job sharing minutes with these guys. Not a good handle here. Got it back. Edwards.
The push into the corner. Portis will try from deep last year with the Bucks. Open ball. Beautiful move on the way in. Slovenia on the push. Nikolic losing it up ahead.
Watch.
Brunson. The lob and the finish.
You knew that was coming. Goodbye. And this is, don't try this at home.
From the foul line, into the hands of Gregor Rovat, and the push for Slovenia into the corner. The three short. And the rebound into the hands of Austin Reeves. Numbers, Reeves fakes the pass, gets the finish. Reeves 6 in an NBA game.
Right. Now, we haven't seen Kessler yet, but he's a nice addition defensively.
Ball tipped away, taken away. Cam Johnson with a steal and the finish as we reach halftime in Malaga, Spain.
Bullets running the show here. Nice little bump. Goran's done a nice job. controls pace that way.
Ingram. There.
There's that gamble in the passing lane.
Extra pass. Back.
Nice hands.
Lob ahead.
Hold
Edwards
on.
with two hands. Robot. Oh, the finish inside.
How about that?
Lazic with
Lingual.
He's helping everybody, coast to coast and sea to sea. Extra pass to the corner.
I think 3 Villanova kids on this world team, isn't it, Kevin?
It's something else.
Unselfish. Short in the floor. Nice pass.
Feed. And then they find of Reeves for 3.
Too easy.
Demitz, the handoff to Samar. Had to get that shot up with the shot clock winding down. Second chance here. Demitz inside. The push pass from Samar.
Physical.
Halliburton with the hesitation.
Never leave your feet.
Robot.
Hey.
10 turnovers. The struggles from 3 saved the third quarter. The 3
That's it. Out of Arizona, Steve Kerr. Forcing those deep shots, no penetration.
And the U.S. not
nice
able to
run.
convert.
Oh, what a play.
Finish. Prepelich, the brother of Clement Prepelich on this team, able to get 2 on the board. All the sports.
Wow.
Bridges loping to the rim. Rejected. Ingram swatting Robot.
Ingram, yep.
Bridges to the rim, and the tip won't go, but the fire.
All ends of the floor. A lot of spirit.
And a quick 3 up.
Looking at nice pass.
Johnson got another good look. Hart with the offensive board.
Whatever you need, Josh. Pretty. Whatever you need, Josh Hart gives you. Yeah, I think they need a good test. Would you agree with that?
I would, and I think they'll get one tomorrow.
No question about it.
Count the bucket. That's a goal.
Attacks the driver and seldom fouls the smaller guy. Oh, too easy.
And a turnover. Halliburton fouled in the open floor by Gregor Glass.
Gave that foul.
Clock winding down. The 3 strong.
Real good ball movement, though.
Kessler
nice
spinning
play
to the rim, and every American is in the scoring column. United States up by 30. And the U.S. will just dribble this one out. 92-62. The U.S. defeats Slovenia. 2-0 in the run-up to the FIBA World Cup.